morning, Nicole Smith here with the Pampered Porcupine Acupuncture. And in the interest of promoting not only great health in your body through alternative and preventative medicine, we also want you to save some money at the same time and make sure that you're getting the most for your dollar. So today I have with me an expert in this. This is Kristin Topping from Your Insurance Matters. And Kristin is going to talk to us about health savings accounts and how this can benefit us in making better choices with our health. So Kristin.
Great, thanks Nicole, thanks for having me. I just wanted to talk to everybody first about the history of acupuncture coverage. Basically, the medical industry was starting to recognize acupuncture as being a really beneficial benefit to our health, actually not only in our general health, but also in reducing the cost of prescriptions. And when that study came out, of course, the insurance companies took notice of that reduction in cost and took advantage of it. So by doing so, they actually incorporated acupuncture coverage in their plans. So that's what we're all kind of used to enjoying, but some of us may have noticed most recently that these benefits are starting to disappear. Our premium costs haven't gone anywhere except for up, but those benefits along with others have disappeared amongst all of the reform talks. The insurance companies were getting nervous, they're trying to reduce their own costs, so they've really scaled down on all of their benefits, including the acupuncture benefit. So another repercussion of that is because now they have nothing to lower their prescription, our prescription usage, they've started raising our prescription deductibles and tacking on. Now they're coming out with plans with like $2,000 prescription deductibles, which is just crazy.
Wow. So instead of promoting what's helping people get better, they're taking that away and at the same time raising the cost of what got us into trouble in the first place with all these prescriptions that people are taking.
Right, it's really tough, and that's why we really encourage all of you to sit down with a professional, if not yourself, but sit down with somebody that knows what they're doing and actually do a full policy review. We really encourage you understanding your own usage of your plan, not just with acupuncture, but with all of your services that you're seeking, to make sure you're on the most appropriate coverage, and also to educate you on alternatives. And that's what we're here today for, is to teach you about an alternative form of coverage. It's still an insurance plan, but it's also applied with these health savings accounts. And so our catastrophic protection is still there, but the benefit of setting up these HSA accounts is the fact that we're getting the choice back, we're getting control back, and also being rewarded for that and tax savings at the end of the year. So we really pinpoint three core benefits to these HSA accounts, and like I mentioned before, the first one being the tax advantage. We actually all of our out-of-pocket costs that we incur in the year, and it could be, these HSA accounts give us huge liberty to pick from a menu of lists, a menu of things that we can use these monies for, not just traditional coverage, but our alternative medicine, things as physical therapy, our office visit coverage. All of those expenses become a complete tax write-off at the end of the year. Additionally, in the tax savings benefit, we're seeing that these savings accounts grow interest, and the interest is also a tax-free benefit.
So you're getting paid for saving money and making some choices of using alternative health.
Exactly.
For your healthcare. That's great.
The second point that we really try and make is the premium savings. Our monthly premium savings with these insurance plans are so substantial that it really justifies making this move alone. The tax savings is on top of that. So we have a formula for sitting down with our clients and actually hashing out the numbers and showing them that this premium savings just makes complete sense for most people. And the third one, which in my opinion is away from the financial and more to the personal, it's the choice. Right. It's the fact that we have now opened up our minds to our ability to go out and seek services beyond what the insurance companies have told us we're allowed to do. Right. Acupuncture being our current situation, but things as physical therapy, you know, it's honestly, the IRS has developed such an extensive list it'd be impossible to go over it right now. But really what it's done is it's given me the control back to say, you know what, I want to use my benefit on acupuncture. I want to use my benefit on this and that. So it's really not depending on the insurance company to say, okay, well, we're not going to cover that for you, or we're only going to cover half that for you. It's really just gotten the control back into our hands.
Perfect.
And the government also likes this, and that's why they're supported this for tax reasons, is because now that we're making our own choices, we're making responsible choices because it's coming out of our own pocket. And so we're all making way wiser decisions on how we approach our healthcare.
Exactly, and then we're healthier in the end for it.
Yeah.
So instead of shelling out hundreds of dollars every month and wondering if what you want to actually do with that money is going to be allowed, you get to make the choice of this is exactly what I want to do for my health, and you're often saving money and having the tax benefit at the same time. It sounds like a win-win situation. Yeah, thank you.
Thanks.
Well, thank you for coming and sharing that information with us. Again, Kristin is an expert in this. You want to sit down with someone who can really show you the best path. So we'll have her contact information available for you on the website. And I appreciate you coming out today.
Thank
Thanks.
you.